This is Extra Paycheck Podcast, episode number 147.
You're listening to Extra Paycheck Podcast, where you will learn how to build and grow your own successful online business. Now, here's your host, Alex Soul.
Welcome to yet another episode of the Extra Paycheck Podcast. This is episode number 147. And today we will be talking about affiliate marketing being a viable online business model in 2018. In other words, if you haven't started with affiliate marketing yet and you are planning on doing that, can you still make money with affiliate marketing in 2018? Is it still possible? And is it still worth thinking about or starting a business in? The very short answer to the question is, of course, yes. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 10 years now, and this is still my favorite online business model for many, many different reasons. One of them being is that the cost of entry is pretty much non-existent. You could become an affiliate for most brands completely free. They don't charge you to be an affiliate. You don't need to create or manufacture your own products. You don't need to store anything. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need to ship anything. You don't even have to deal with clients or payments. All you do is promote a product or a service and get paid a commission for that sale. When I was preparing this episode, I wanted to give you some very interesting numbers and things that kind of prove the point that affiliate marketing is still going strong and it's only growing right now. And that's the reason why you should jump into it right now. Now let's jump into the actual numbers that I got from Forbes and many other reputable online publications. 80% of all retailers that have an online presence have an affiliate program of some sort as well. Just think about that number. It's 8 out of 10 retailers have an affiliate program, which means that you could promote their products. This number should tell you two different things. First of all, most retailers understand the value of affiliate marketing and they understand that they need to apply this model to their business. And second thing that you should understand is that no matter how small or unique your niche is, there are sellers, there are retailers that have an affiliate program that you can join. Because a lot of people told me that they want to sell something very obscure or something that's not very popular and there probably isn't an affiliate program for it. But chances are there is an affiliate program for it. If 8 out of 10 retailers have an affiliate program, there's a very, very high chance that whatever you want to promote, there is an affiliate program for it. Next important number that I need to mention here is that almost 4 billion people now have access to internet worldwide. And that number is only growing every single day. This is important to know because a lot of people also claim that they can't build another website or that they can't start promoting products as affiliates to people because there simply aren't enough clients. And this is completely untrue because more and more people are buying online. There are thousands and thousands of new customers getting access to internet daily. Simply because countries are developing more and more, internet is getting cheaper, mobile devices are in everyone's hands and they allow you that access to internet. So not having enough clients is a really bad excuse. There are more than enough consumers online and that number is only growing and somebody needs to cater to those consumers. So why not you? You can be one of the people helping those consumers make a purchasing decision and actually make a purchase online, and you could make money off of that. In 2016, US retailers alone spent $4.7 billion on affiliate marketing. That number went up to $5.3 billion in 2017, and it's expected to be at almost $7 billion by 2020, which is in less than 3 years from now. This should give you an idea how much money is being generated through affiliate marketing all over the world. This is only US, where probably there is the biggest market for, well, anything that's being sold online, but there's the whole world outside of US as well, and affiliate marketing model is growing in many, many different countries. Another incredible number is 16% of all online sales are generated through affiliate marketing. The same number of sales is being generated through email marketing, which has been around since forever. Organic search brings in over 20% of sales, so is paid search. But the fact that 16% of all online sales go through affiliate marketing, and that number also is growing every single year, simply shows that there is a lot of opportunities online, especially in that affiliate marketing space. That number is growing, which means that people who are involved in affiliate marketing are making more and more money. And of course, you could have a piece of that pie if you jumped into affiliate marketing right now. If you haven't listened to the episode number 142 of this very podcast, I talk about Amazon's new program, which is called Influencer Program. So Influencer Program is just an extension of their Associates Program or Affiliate Program, if you will, which required you to have an established website before in order to apply as an Amazon affiliate. Now Amazon realized that this was a little bit ridiculous, and they realized that a lot of people don't build websites or blogs anymore, and a lot of people have a big following on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and many others. And I'll get to Instagram in a little bit because there is a very interesting story about that. So Amazon decided to change the rules a little bit and accept those online influencers into their affiliate program because they understand that younger people spend a lot of time on social platforms and they want to be there as well. They want you to make money out of those social platforms. So now you don't even have to worry about having an established blog or writing all the content, because I know a lot of people hate writing and they don't think of themselves as good writers, but you don't even need that anymore. You could have a simple Instagram account or YouTube channel and you could start earning money through there using Amazon's influencer program. So this is really cool. And going back to Instagram, there is a profile on Instagram called Millionaire Mentor. So the person behind this account did an interview recently and they said that they earned over $7 million worth of affiliate commissions in a single year. And this is just affiliate commissions, because when you have a very influential and big account with a huge following, you could strike other kinds of partnerships and deals with brands. But from affiliate commissions alone, this guy made over $7 million in a single year. And of course, this is an exception. Not every affiliate marketer makes millions. In fact, most affiliate marketers are simply earning a living, although there are many people who are earning millions of dollars from affiliate commissions alone. But I would say that's not a general rule. You could probably get to 6 figures a year, which is also pretty cool, by working from home and being an affiliate marketer. My point is not that. My point that there are people with a simple Instagram account who make millions of dollars a year just from affiliate commissions. At this point, I would like to mention a few interesting places where you could find affiliate marketing that maybe you haven't even thought of, or you didn't understand that it was affiliate marketing behind it, but there was. So let's go. Number 1 is the Wirecutter.com, a pretty cool review website. It was established in 2011. And in 2016, so only 5 years later, it was sold to the New York Times for $30 million. This is a purely affiliate marketing website. All they do is write articles about products. They actually do test those products pretty extensively, and their content is very interesting and of high quality. If you've never been to the Wirecutter, you should go check it out just to have an idea of what kind of content they're doing on this website. But the fact still is that this website was only 5 years old and it was sold to the New York Times for $30 million. Now, why would New York Times buy this kind of a website? Of course, because they see the potential of affiliate marketing as well. They understand that affiliate marketing is only going to grow, and it was a really good investment for them. And they now have a big team working on the website and keep growing it and growing it and growing it, which is really awesome. But it doesn't mean that smaller websites can't make money because there's one big player. This is a misconception that has existed and will always exist. You know, Facebook wouldn't exist and Instagram wouldn't exist and many other platforms wouldn't exist if they all thought, well, there's MySpace. We can't really have another social media platform. Yes, you can. There's always place for competition, and competition is healthy actually. If there's competition, it's only because there's demand and there's a place for improvement. If you look at many other huge online publications such as Askman, Forbes, and many others, you'll realize that they are slowly moving into that affiliate marketing space. They have articles coming out promoting products and they have affiliate links throughout the sites. And I've noticed that it's kind of changing slowly, slowly, but I noticed those affiliate links within those websites more and more often, which once again proves that these big companies, they see a big future behind affiliate marketing. This is why Unbroke.com is also another cool website that makes money out of affiliate marketing and nothing else. Now, this website born out of a post on Reddit, or actually a subreddit, and it basically features different innovative gadgets and really cool things that nobody needs, but everybody wants. It's kind of stupid when you think about it just like that, but they make a lot of money and they have a lot of traffic coming to that website and have a lot of consumers buying through their affiliate links. People are buying all kinds of weird and interesting products and items through this website. So go check it out just for the fun of it. Maybe it'll give you some ideas, because when this website was launched, it was kind of unique and nobody did anything similar back then. And this is one of the reasons why that specific website became so popular. Once again, this information shouldn't stop you from creating something unique, something of your own website, your own app, your own platform, or whatever you want to call it, and do affiliate marketing on it. This was just another example of a website that was, just this fun thing that didn't really go anywhere and turned into a big earner through affiliate marketing. Most airline booking websites such as Secret Flying, Momondo, and many others use affiliate marketing. This is how they make their money. Now, the truth is that most airline companies only pay you $7 or $10 or something along these lines per ticket sold, which is very, very small commission. And it really isn't worth the effort for many of these websites. So they make most of their money by trying to promote hotel bookings, car rental, and other extra services, not the actual tickets, not the actual flights, because those don't pay a high commission. But my point here is that all those websites that aren't just there to help you, and although they're completely free to use, and most of the time they do actually offer you or find a really good deal, very low price for a ticket for you, they are actually making a commission on every single sale, every single booking, and so on. So that's just another example of where you can find affiliate marketing. Last but not least, Uber. Now, that's interesting, and I'm sure a lot of people haven't heard of that or haven't even thought of that. I've stumbled upon quite a few channels on YouTube where you see Uber drivers explaining how much money they make driving for Uber, and they explain different situations when they had a bad customer or a good customer. They simply go on about their day as an Uber driver, and that's all interesting. But a lot of these people, they admit that they make more money referring new drivers to Uber rather than actually driving for Uber. So a lot of these guys that have YouTube channels, they have their promotional code for Uber, and when you refer a driver, you aren't just getting credit that you could use for your future rides, you're actually getting paid money for every single driver that you refer into a program, which is once again affiliate marketing. That's just another example, and I could go on and on and on giving you examples of so many different industries and services and products that you could find through affiliate marketing, or where you could actually find affiliate marketing, especially places where you don't expect to find it. So going back to the subject of this episode, is affiliate marketing still a viable online business model in 2018? Of course it is. In my opinion, this is still one of the biggest and easiest online businesses to start in, and I think it could be very, very profitable if done correctly. Of course, once again, it's not going to happen overnight. You aren't going to start making millions overnight. It'll take time to see success, just like in any other business. Just this one, once again, in my opinion, is one of the easiest to start in. I'd like to mention that when I first heard about affiliate marketing, and it was in 2007, I thought that the boat sailed. I thought that I was too late to the game, because there seemed to be so many people already doing that and so many established websites that were earning money through affiliate marketing. And I thought, well, I'll try it, but what are the chances that I'll actually be able to compete with any of these guys? What are the chances that I'll actually make money? And, I'm happy that I actually did that. I'm happy that I tried, because I started making money, and this is how I've been earning a living for the past 10 or almost 11 years now. And throughout these years, I've met a lot of people that were completely new to affiliate marketing. I've met some people that just started 2 or 3 years ago in 2014, 2015, and some of them are making a lot more money than I am through affiliate marketing. This alone should be enough proof that affiliate marketing isn't going anywhere and this model is only growing and growing and growing. And now is the perfect time to get into it if you want to get into it. If you jump into it in a year, you'll be kicking yourself thinking, well, I should have started at the beginning of 2018. And I know some of you listening to this very episode are kicking yourselves in the butt thinking that you should have started in 2017 or 2016. So the next best time to start in affiliate marketing is today, is start right now. Stop overthinking it. Just jump into it and take action. All right, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing or internet marketing in general, head over to extrapodcast.com/147. This is where I'll be putting up a show notes page for today's episode, and you could use the comment form there to leave your questions. You could also send them to me by email or reach out to me through Facebook. Also, head over to extrapodcast.com/iTunes in order to subscribe to the show. Also, extrapodcast.com/Spotify in order to follow the show on Spotify. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you next Monday.